In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive You Need Access. When you see the You Need Access message in Google Drive, it simply means your account doesn't have permission to open that file. The good news is that it's usually quick to resolve once you try the right fix for your situation. Start with the most reliable solution. Request access from the file's owner. Open the link, click the Request Access button, and, if it helps, add a short note explaining who you are and why you need the file. Then click Send. The owner will receive an email and can approve your request. Keep in mind, they might take a little time to respond, so watch for a confirmation email or try the link again later. If that doesn't do it, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. This is the most common cause. In the top right corner of Google Drive or your browser, click your profile picture, switch to the right email, or sign out and log back in with the account that should have access. If you're logged into the wrong account, Drive will block you even if another one of your accounts has permission. A quick trick that often clears up account confusion is to use an incognito window. In Chrome, press Ctrl+Shift+N, paste the file link, and sign in with the correct account. Incognito avoids conflicts with other signed-in sessions and can sidestep misbehaving extensions. If the file is urgent and you still can't get in, contact the owner directly. Ask them to add your email to the file's sharing settings or temporarily switch the sharing to anyone with the link if that's appropriate. Only the owner or someone with editor rights can grant you access. For school or work files, check for organization restrictions. Many institutions limit files to users within their domain. If that's the case, you must use your school or company account. Personal emails usually won't work unless the owner explicitly allows external access. In rare cases, browser extensions can interfere with Drive permissions. Type Chrome/extensions in your address bar, turn off all extensions, reload the file link, and try again. If it works, re-enable extensions one by one to find the culprit. To recap why this happens, the file may be private or restricted, you might be signed into the wrong Google account, your organization could be blocking external access, or the owner simply hasn't shared it properly. Follow these steps and you'll resolve most You Need Access errors quickly and safely.